Uh, we were doing the last topic yesterday. We had stopped market for goods. From here, we have to do 2 or 3 points you have already written. Now, the question which I had given you, how did the British market their goods in India? A simple one word answer if you have to give, you will answer that they used to market with the help of advertisements. Now, which type of advertisement can you have to write? Variety of advertisements were there. For example, you can write that advertisements like printed labels on the cloth bundles. You have marked this one. Images of Indian gods and goddesses, printing calendars to popularity their products. You have to write your answer from here. Write down page number 126, and that in that paragraph by the late 19th century, on the top right in the Roman number 4, printing calendar to popularizing their products. Write that printing calendars to popularize their products. Now, mark the answer here. Abhay Kumar, close your mic. Now, mark again, first point. Unlike newspaper and magazines, calendars were used even by people who could not read. Second market, they were hung in tea shops and in poor people's homes just as much as in offices and middle class apartments. Till here you will mark. Come to the second last paragraph. One points you will write on. Figures of important personages of emperors and nawabs adorned advertisements and calendars. Their picture was also mentioned on the calendars. The message very often seemed to say, if you want to respect the royal figure, then respect these products. All right. And last market, things produced under royal command, its quality could not be questioned because it was under the royal command, so it must have been a high quality goods. Now conclude your answer that when Indian manufacturers advertised the tricolor message, nationalist message was clear and loud. The nation then but produces that Indians produce. Advertisements became a vehicle of nationalist message of Swadeshi. You mark till here. And conclusion, just mark it for one word questions that industries has meant major technological changes, growth of factories, making of new industrial labor force, है ना. सो इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ अगर है तो उससे क्या क्या इफेक्ट पड़ा, तो टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस तो आया, प्रोड्यूस गुड्स में भी चेंजेस आया, एक क्लास लेबर क्लास में चेंज हो गया, मीन्स दे स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एज अ लेबरर. So all these changes came to be seen by the coming up of new technological innovations, or you can say machines. They hand technology and small scale production remained an important part of the industrial landscape. So small scale industry was as highly demanded as it was demanded previously. No matter industries came or not, technological development took place or not, it doesn't matter. But those who used to wear handmade clothes, their demand for handmade clothes was as high as it was in the before coming of the industries. So we come across that what was the condition of India before industrial revolution, what was the condition of India after the industrial revolution, how, why it affected the industries, affected the Indian mentality or Indian people, because Britishers were very close to the Indians. We were ruled by the Britishers, so we had a impact on the impact on the industrial sectors. Number of new industrialists also came in India, like you have come across the famous JRD Tata, Birla, Wadias, Dwarkanath, Sethji, Nushrunji. These number of new industrialists also came in India, but the most important thing you will find that they became prosperous, same like the Britishers, by practicing trade with the Chinese. All right. So far we have completed. Prepare all the question answers from this chapter. It will come in your Sunday exam. So prepare 30, 50 one-word question, and all the lengthy questions which I have given you, I have already marked, given the question and underlined all the answers. So just you prepare a notes of these answers. Is it clear? Yashraj? Where is Yashraj? 10th G. Now take out your civics book, and in civics book we will learn the chapter Democracy and Diversity. Have we completed political parties? Shivam? We have completed political parties. Jigyasa?
Yes, ma'am.
Mimansa, we have completed the political parties. Have you given exam of the political parties? Come
No,
on, answer.
ma'am.
No, you haven't given the exam of the political parties. No. You have just given the exam of federalism, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
फेडरलिज्म तक ही हुआ है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
और कोई एग्जाम नहीं ना हुआ सिविक्स का इसमें से? नाउ डेमोक्रेसी डाइवर्सिटी चैप्टर 3 जो हम लोग करेंगे अभी, इसको इसलिए करेंगे बिकॉज दिस विल कम इन योर पीरियोडिक टेस्ट, not in your board test. So we will complete it fast according to the periodic. Now democracy and diversity. Have you taken out your books? Have you taken out? Now the story from Mexico, Mexico Olympic. Now the story of Mexico Olympic, here you will find that there was a racial discrimination. Racial discrimination means a difference between black and white. That difference we are going to read here, that how it affected the life of the people. Because in America, USA, most of the black peoples are living, because USA is such a place which is not made by the natural inhabitants. Here all the migrants or outsiders used to live. So as slave trade was practiced, America also became a place where all the slaves or the blacks started living there. So the blacks were discriminated. Their living place was far from that of the whites. Like you have read in your 9th class, a book Nelson Mandela. Have you come across where you have read about the segregation policies they used to follow? And here he had started a movement known as apartheid to end the racial discrimination. All right? Do you remember that chapter? You had pasted a picture of Nelson Mandela also. Do you remember? Mimansa?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have done it. Now here, the same thing we are going to read but in a more advanced form. Advanced form in a sense that when King Martin Luther came, he wanted to end the discrimination between black and white. All right. Now see the glossary here. Define what is civil rights movements in USA. Mark this question. Define what is civil rights movement in USA. Civil right means right of the people, right of the general people, particularly the blacks. Now mark here, in 1954 to 1968, it refers to a set of events and reform movement aimed at abolishing legal racial discrimination against, mark this line, legal racial discrimination against African and American, led by, mark the name of the leader, Martin Luther King Jr. This movement practiced non-violent methods of civil disobedience against racially discriminatory laws and practices. Now, racially discriminated means those who were racially discriminated means the difference between black and white. That has to be discrimination. That discrimination has to be come to an end. Now, one word answers you will mark here. The picture on this page. Now, picture reading also used to come. So, picture will be given and number of questions will be given and you have to write the answer. Now, first market. The picture on this page depicts an important landmark in the history of the मार्किया सिविल राइट मूवमेंट इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. अंडरलाइन दिस. पर सबसे पहले तो ये बताओगे कि ये पिक्चर कहाँ से लिया गया. तो सिविल राइट मूवमेंट जो कहाँ पे स्टार्ट हुआ था, यूएसए में. वहां से मार्क करो. ये मैक्सिको ओलंपिक से लिया गया है. These represents the medal ceremony of 200-meter race in 1908 Olympic held at Mexico City. Mark here. It was held in the city of Mexico. Mark again. This will come. It will held in the city of Mexico. Now again mark here. The two were standing with clenched fist. Clenched means ekdam muट्ठी बंधी हुई है. And standing with clenched fist, upraised, हाथ ऊपर है, and head bowed. While the American national anthem was played, are the US athlete, mark करो. कौन है वहाँ पे? Tom Smith and John Carlos. They are African American. All right. Next, they had won the gold and bronze medals respectively. तो जो गोल्ड लिया है उसका नेशनल एंथम बजेगा. तो बजेगा किस कंट्री का नेशनल एंथम? द नेशनल एंथम ऑफ अमेरिका. सो दैट विल बी played. Now next again you will mark here that they are African American and they had won the gold and bronze medal. They received their medal wearing black socks, no shoes. Mark it. What does it mean? It represents black poverty, garibi. With this gesture, they try to draw international attention. Draw international means the world must see this picture and they must realize that in USA, discrimination is made between black and white. In United States, the black glove, हाथ जो ऊपर किए हुए हैं, clenched fist, उसमें black glove वो पहने हुए हैं. And it means to symbolize black poverty. All right, black power. कि power है black में. अगर वो लोग हाथ ऊपर उठा देंगे तो कोई उनको नीचे करने को और कोई उसको कोई काम नहीं करवा सकता है. So it is like a strike, demonstrations of the blacks. The silver medalist. Now here यहाँ पे 3 medalist हैं. Bronze है, gold है, silver है. तो जो silver medalist है, he is an athlete from Australia. He is white and he is Peter Norman. Mark it. He wore a human right badge on his shirt. Now, what does this signify? He is not having a clenched fist. He is not wearing only black socks, no shoes, but he is wearing a human right badge. Means indirectly, he is supporting these two black people, that their right to equality, liberty, and fraternity must be given to them. Because under human right, 3 rights come: liberty, equality, and fraternity. So he is doing nothing, not raising his hand, not having a clenched fist, but indirectly he is supporting these two black people by wearing a badge of human right. Mark it. May the question come, how can you say that Peter Norman, an Australian athlete, was indirectly supporting these two Americans? Answer will be, he was wearing a human right badge, which means he was indirectly supporting liberty, equality, and fraternity. This answer you have to write. Do you think that now number of questions are given? Now see the question. Do you think that Carlos and Smith should have raised an internal matter of American society in an international forum? Yes. If international forum his voice is raised, then UNO and number of other countries will support the black to fight for their rights. Second, would you say that what they did was political? No, what they were doing, it was not political. They were doing it with the idea of human rights, not politicized. Third, why do you think Peter Norman, who was neither black nor American, joined the gestures of protest? Because he was indirectly supporting whom? The black people, by wearing the badge of human rights. If you were in Norman place, what would you do? We will do the same things if we will get the chance. Now, next topic we have. See all the conclusion. Positive, negative, everything is given. What will be the condition to the black people? And what will be the condition of the white people after the Olympic Games? Now mark here. The International Olympic Association held Carlos and Smith guilty of violating the Olympic spirit by making a political statement. Second marking. Their medals were taken back. Third, back home they were subjected lot of criticism. They were not praised, they were criticized. Peter Norman, who was an Australian and white, he also suffered for his action and was now not included in Australian team for next Olympic. But their action succeeded. Now यहाँ से positive देखो. But their action succeeded in gaining international attention for the civil rights movement in US. For example, San Jose pronounced San Jose State University, of which they were former students, honored them and installed their statues in university campus. Last market, what was the positive impact? The society's attitude was changed. How can you say? So from this point, when Norman died in 2006, Norman was Peter Norman, Australian and white. When he died in 2006, Smith and Carlos were pallbearer at his funeral. Pallbearer means those who कंधा जिसको देते हैं, जो जब डेथ होता है तो देखिए ना लोग कंधा देते हैं. तो उसका जो कॉफिन था, पहले क्या था कि जब व्हाइट मरते थे, व्हाइट पीपल, तो ब्लैक्स उसको कंधा नहीं दे सकते थे. They can't be a pallbearer. But now the situation changed. Though they raised the issue on international forum, they got the support of King Martin Luther King Jr., a leader of the black, and the world gave support to them. and the attitude of the people towards the black changed. And what changed? Their statues came to be built. And when Peter Norman died, a white person, an Australian Olympic game winner, he was pallbeared by the black people. ब्लैक पीपल उसको कंधा दिए. ये सबसे बड़ा चेंज बताता है. रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन केम टू एन एंड आफ्टर दिस इवेंट. So you can write this event in your answer, that when white Peter Norman died, the two blacks became the pallbearer of the white. It says that the racial discrimination have come to an end. Now come to the next topic. What are the different similarities and division? Compare and contrast. Write down the question. Compare and contrast the difference. Compare and contrast. Compare and contrast the social division and social inequalities. Social division and social inequality. सुनने में दोनों एक लगता है, लेकिन दोनों अलग अलग चीज है. First marker, the similarities market. The athlete in the example above were responding to social division and social inequalities. But does that happen only in societies which have racial differences? Means कि सिर्फ कुछ ही कंट्री में डिवीजन होता है सोसाइटी का. जैसे हमारे कंट्री में कास्ट और कम्युनल डिफरेंस है, तो सिर्फ हमारे सोसाइटी में है कि लगभग एवरी सोसाइटी फेसेस सम वन और द अदर social division or inequality. When you go to Muslim country, in Islamic religion, there is also differences. There are also two followers, Shias and Sunnis. There is also differences. When you go to the European country, Christianity is also defined, though they follow the religion of Jesus Christ. But here also it is divided into two paths. The Catholic Christians and the Catholic Christians and the Protestants. These two religions are there, and the differences are there on the basis of rich and poor. Now, when you come to India, number of other problems are there. Caste community, these communal tensions and all, it is also going on. So every society, whether very developed or very undeveloped, there will be social division and social inequality. Now mark here again, in the previous two chapters, we have already noted some other forms of social divisions like Belgium and Sri Lanka. Both had a democratic government, but both regional and social division. Mark this one. इसी example के साथ इस answer को mention करोगे. If you in political science, if you will give example and write the answer, you will fetch higher mark. Give example in your answer. In the case of Belgium, people who live in different regions speak different languages. In Sri Lanka, linguistic, that is language, as well as religious differences, social diversity can take different forms in different societies. Now, social difference can originate due to various reasons. Answer, write down the question. What are the various reasons? What are the various reasons where social differences can originate? What are the various differences where social divisions can originate? All right. Now, come to the next. Here, the social difference may be of two types: by birth, by choice. By birth means Someone will be black, someone will be white, someone will be tall or short, and by thin, thick, or fat or thin. Number of differences by birth. All right. This is natural. It is not man-made. It is by birth, so it will be a natural differences. But by choice, some will be a follower of God, theist. Some will be not follower of God, a theist. Someone want to become an engineer. Some want to become a doctor. These all are by choice. So social differences may be of how many types? Two, by birth and by choice. Now mark here, write down the question which I have given you. Social difference exists. Write down the answer. These social differences are mainly based on first point market. Based on first market, accident of birth, and second, write it by choice. Second, write by choice, and in by choice, write by choice, right here that we belong to a simply because we are born into it. We all experience social difference based on accident of birth in our everyday life. Next point, right? People around are male or female, tall or short, different kinds of complexion, different physical athlete or disabilities. Second market, these are all based on accident of birth. इसको conclusion में लिखो. Change करो से Roman number 2 में लिखो.